I think I see an American flag on the ground over here. I don't know why. Maybe it's a trap. Nope. So we made it to the top of Lytle Creek. Well, top of the road. You'll know you're here at the trailhead because this is the entrance right here. And that's the shooting range. Many times. Please do not litter. Keep your forest clean. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Check this out. I'm gonna hit a Bigfoot. So people come up here and they do shoot. There's targets right there on that log. And someone left their dog. So this is it. This is probably as far as I'm gonna go since I'm by myself. We take the trail further up, it starts to turn that way. There's a good amount of snow up there, and you definitely don't want to be by yourself when you're off-roading anywhere, but definitely not in the snow. But when you're by yourself, it's a whole different thing. People don't really pick up after themselves. I mean, look at that. Someone left a whole pizza pan right there with beer cans in there. That's cardboard over there. And I'm gonna turn around and head back down. Ugh. What's up, man? Good. Yeah, so up there a ways, it's going to turn left and it's going to go across like a riverbed kind of, and the trail just keeps going. Up at the top, it starts getting, the snow starts getting pretty thick, and it's going to turn up into the mountain. So, or you could keep going on Lytle Creek, go up in the mountain, or turn left into Sheep Creek Truck Trail. Sheep Creek Truck Trail takes you could take it that way to Wrightwood, or take it back on top of this ridge back to Lytle Creek. There's a lot of rocks, but if you get up to Sheep Creek, it gets pretty flat, and it's like a fire trail. So along this ridge right here, you go back that way, or to Wrightwood. Yeah, no problem, no problem. You too. So that is the end of our mini trail run. The road here goes all the way down Lytle Creek shooting range. Very doable trail. You know, if you're two-wheel drive clearance, have some clearance, and you got, you know, some good off-road tires, you're gonna eat it right up. You know, such a beautiful day today. It's amazing. Wow. All right.